July 16, magbablog na naman tayo ng masaya-masaya. Sarap gumala dito ngayon sa halaman na yan. Ito yung halaman. Dito ko kayo gagala. Yan. Diyan. Masarap gumala dyan. Masarap gumala.
Really reaching out for the other side.
Masarap gumala yan.
I may be climbing on rainbows.
Ito masarap gumala.
Baby, here goes. Dreams there for
Masarap gumala.
those who
Gumala tayo dyan.
sleep.
Kamalis natin yan.
Life is for us to
Isa ay nag-edit.
And if you're wondering what this song is leading to,
Sa busy.
I wanna make it with you.
Kanya yung napagagawa edit sa TikTok. Kaya paano yung TikTok
I
niya.
really think that we could make it good.
Nagtatandaan. Tayo si Mela TV dyan sa Facebook. Pakipalo na Facebook channel ko at Facebook channel niya.
And every little
Peter
thing
Bueno.
only time will
Saka
tell.
mag-subscribe na kayo sa YouTube channel ko.
You believe the things that
Bye.
I do.